Those guys will do the majority of the work. So what should you consider in order to make this a feasible product? Who do you need for your power team in order to successfully do entitlement sales, if that is the strategy that you're going to position yourself for the next 1.5 to 2 years with the current market conditions? Now, obviously, it's pretty straightforward. You really need a good architect and eventually a good civil engineer and also a good realtor. But if you're getting either one of them, let's say you get a good architect, they usually also know a good civil engineer. And if you get a good realtor that works in entitlement and construction, they usually also know good architects. So it kind of goes hand in hand. But what you really need is a really solid architect that understands, those kind of projects, has done similar projects, so they can do a quick feasibility study for you, helping you to determine within your due diligence if the project makes sense and what kind of issues you might be facing. And then obviously helping you to continually working through the entitlement process and getting your project through. Now, a realtor on the other side is important to understand, what are the market conditions, who's buying, what should you consider in order to make this a feasible product, certain things that might have been disadvantages in other projects, getting those insights so you can take them into consideration to make your project just slightly better. So a great realtor that understands the commercial space, that works with builders, that works with architects and sells those assets, and an architect who understands your asset class is really all you need. And those guys will do the majority of the work. All you need to do is oversee those guys and make a ton of money once the project has been completed.